We will do this fastly because it's really nice for me. It's midnight and I'm speaking slowly and smoothly just for that reason, because there's many kids and families sleeping here. So let's go with the thing. I present you JobYnc. JobYnc is an application. It's a good application that helps you have 100 ATS score on that job position where you wanna work. Because if you had that 100 ATS score, the recruiter will call you immediately. I promise that. And today we are releasing this application to production, and I'll show you how easy it is release an application to app stores. First thing, we need some requirements for launch app to production. One of them are have some screenshot from the application. You could use your application and just take screenshots when you navigate. You have at least 3 screenshots. The second thing we need is an .html file that describes the policies of your applications into the store, accessible publicly by the users and the reviewer for your app. That is really important because it describes your application and the policies and conditions that your users are accepting using your application. So if you have that 2 things, screenshots and the policy defined, also I'll give you a template about an accepted policy into the store to avoid wasting time trying a second, a third, a fourth time publishing and trying to publish in our application and receiving rejection from the reviewer. So that template, if you want that template, use comment policy template into the comments and automatically you will receive a link to download that. Also, I'll show you where to publish that policy publicly to attach the link into the store. So let's go here. Let's go. First, let me show you how the application works. This is the application. It's JobYnc, JobYnc.com, and I have an open position here for Arterisk. I'm a senior software. This is my skills. Obviously, I need to read all the things in here as usual without using this tool, but I don't need that because I already have the application, and the application could extract information of this open position, the key skills, and analyze that and detect what is my score comparing my profile with this job position. And as you can see, I have some missing skills, but I also have the matching skills. Additionally, it reports me some suggestions to improve my profile for this specific job, for this specific open position description. That's good. That gives me some feedback about what skills I'm missing on my current resume. And obviously I know that the skills GraphQL, testing, agile, performance optimization, CI/CD, but I didn't include that on my CV because those are basic skills that I know obviously, but I don't include it then. I match others, but if I send my resume right now without that skills that I'm missing, I will not have that 100 points on the ATS systems that recruiter use for analyze my resume. So this is a good thing because I already know what I'm missing, what I have, and what I need to improve for this exact job position. And the best thing is that I can generate a resume and a cover letter exactly for this open position. And after generate that resume and cover letter, I can just download them and apply with that resume and with that cover letter. That is exactly the thing that I'll show you today. First and first, for you access to this application, I need to publish it into the app stores. Let's go first to publish this application into Play Store. I told you, you need previously a policy document, some screenshots, and obviously the AAB or the AP key from your application. I built this application using Expo, but you can use Flutter or other technology to create your application. And for publish to Play Store, you need that AP key or that AAB. Let's go with the first steps. Directly to the App Store, to the Play Store. Now in here, exactly here on Create App, into your Play Console account. Also, if you don't have one, contact me, I'll help you creating one, or use allowing you to use my account to publish your application. And here, the ideal thing is start, because we don't have too much time. We need to finish this fastly. Okay, what's the name? JobYnc. What is the package name? JobYnc. Because in the package name the domain is usually inverted. This is an app category and it's a free to use. I'll give you it for free. Confirm and accept. Create app. Let's wait some minutes. Now seconds. Because this is creating the application into my account. Okay, come on. And now we don't need to complete all the requirements on this dashboard. We will pick some of them. Let me show you how. And here, okay, release, select tester. Yeah, I will select testers. Testers are a simple list of emails. As you can see, we have testers, click here. Okay, save. Okay, that was easy. Here says create a new release. Okay, but I don't have the AP yet because it is still generating. It is still generating on the terminal that I have here on the bottom. So it will be ready when we finish all the other requirements on the dashboard. So meanwhile we don't have that AP or AP key, we cannot create the release. So let's go back to the dashboard. I'll skip that for now, but I start completing all the items in here. It's easy, simple. Then I will not completely release your app section, let anyone feel excited, and I directly jump to the create and publish a release, because those other sections, test, let anyone build excitement, or the other channels that are open, close, testing, are optional. The only mandatories are internal and production, and we will send that, we will configure and send that directly to the reviewer, and he will approve as fast our application. So let's go here. Task, okay, set privacy policy. That's important because here comes that HTML template that I mentioned before, and the link that we need to provide to here could be generated from an storage do you usually use. In this occasion I will use a Firebase storage, and we can return a file inside of a public directory. Let me show you the template. The template we have here is a privacy policy HTML already validated, because with this format you will avoid the redirection from the reviewer. So let's go see where is this. We will find it. Okay, and I upload it. I upload it to my storage, to my repository. Let's see, JobYnc resource, okay, privacy policy, it is here. Okay, there's a template I will send you, and I will share you if you comment policy template. Come on, okay, that's ready. And now we should get the public link, that is this one. How I know that is public? Because if I paste that on an incognito tab, it will show us the content. Okay, let's continue. Now, because now that we have the link, it's easy to paste it here and save that. Okay, we did a big step with this thing, because this is the usually step with where multiple developers miss to complete correctly, because they don't use a good template, or they avoid put the set privacy policy, or they don't publish it to allow access from anywhere. Signing text, let's go with this. Is any part of your app restricted? No, one part of my app is restricted. Come on, let's back. Ads, I include ads on my app? No, that's a terrible idea. No, my app does not contain ads. I will never contain ads. Back. Content rating. Okay, let's to the questionnaire. Email. I will use this email plus JobYnc@gmail.com. It's not a game, it's not a social communication. It is all other app types. I agree. Next. Download app? No. User content sharing? No. Online content? No. Promote image? Blah blah blah? No. Miscellaneous? No. Does the app allow users to purchase? No. No and no. Well, it's according of each app, but in this case my app does not contain none of that items. Save and continue. Come on. Do this target audience 18 and over? Yes. In this occasion, yes, because that kind of age is the minimum to start working on somewhere. 16, 17, not for now. 18 and over. Save and continue. That is it. Next, does your app collect or share any of the requirements you type? No. You need to mark yes in case you are using analytics or crashlytics or some ID that you generate to identify that installation. But in my case, because this is a completely private application, we don't track the user for nothing, so I mark no. Yeah, into save. Okay, that's safety completed. Is your government app? No, it's not a government app. Financial features? No, my app does not provide any financial features. Come on, save. Let's keep continuing the dashboard head. This is in case your app uses some health features or provides some health features, but no, my app doesn't provide health features. Back. Select an app category and provide content. Okay, categories for an app. It's an app. Select category. In this occasion, it's I will select business because it's much business, because it's an application that helps you to send your resume and cover letter to businesses. Manage tax. Okay. Contact with job. Yes. Work interview, job seeking. What else? Professional service network. Yes. Resume. Absolutely yes. Okay. What else? Working. Network. Networking connectivity. Virtual provider. Yeah, the first one. Network connectivity tools. This should be network, not sure. One more. Which one? Because we use the category tool. This is important because according to these categories, the app should show to your user. Document. Business. Yeah, let's select business. Okay, completed. And now store still details. This is the store details that shows publicly into your Play Store account for your users. Phone numbers +1 650 74 4225. This is the site of the commerce, and you could consult anything, ask anything on that site. If you need a software solution, a technical solution, just help with publish your application and create your application, automatize things, you could open that link, lab.com, and ask for a free consultation. Okay, let's close this one and see what else we need to complete. At this point, we should preview and confirm the release. Okay, preview and confirm the release. Preview and confirm the release. Okay, we need to complete here you need to upload the APK. You need to rule out this release because it doesn't allow it. Your static release does not remove it. Okay, we need to add the app bundle, right? Just here in edit release, because this is internal. Then after creating internal release, we will promote that internal release directly to production, and then send the application for review to Google. Let me see if we already have yes, we already have that. The AB, it's already generated, so I download it from my Pisco terminal. It is here. Copy. I'm using Expo, by the way, so when I how I generate the Android AEP file is used executing this command as build platform Android, because I need only generate a release package for Android, the release file for Android with the production profile. So it generated me a link where I can download this AEP file. Okay, it is downloaded, as you can see. As you can see, it is downloaded. Yeah, already downloaded it. And now I can add it to my release. Upload from where? From where we should upload this? From my downloads. And where's the AAB? This is. Okay, this is the AAB file I need to use for release my application. Could be an AEB or an APK. Maybe you know more about the APK than the AEB, but the AEB is essential too. Okay. Let's wait some minutes while it completed. And here I need to place the release notes. I will use JobYnc the tool solution to have 100 points on a job selection process. Okay, some extra minutes, and you will use and you will download this application for you send your resumes to Canadian jobs, to USA jobs, to Europe jobs, and have that important call you're looking for. This processing we will give it a time, but we need to use 2 extra steps here. Just finish this one and then promote the internal release to production and send it to Google for review this application. I promise this is the fastest way for release an application. I received improvement on 2 hours after finish this configuration and send it to Google for reviewing it. In 2 hours I will receive the improvement. Okay, it already uploaded, so let's pick next here. Show more. Well, this is a warning, it is not important. Well, it's not relevant. Save and publish. second plugin. Okay, I have my internal release right now, but I promote it now. Okay, promote to open testing, no. Close testing, no. I told you that are unnecessary. You don't need to complete all the things on the dashboard steps. As you can see, I skip some of them and I directly will promote my my release version to production. Okay, this is production. And I click on next. What is here? Okay, your app cannot be published yet. Complete the steps listed on dashboard. Okay, I think we missed some step. Set up your store listing. Okay, yeah, we missed that. I told you something about the screenshots that we need to attach here. Okay, JobYnc short description. The ideal tool. Also, we could use AI to generate it. Let me show you how. This is here AI, right? We use AI for everything nowadays. So I'll ask for create a short description. I'm publishing my JobYnc app to Play Store. Give me give me these items according the app. Short description. How many characters for short description? With 80 characters. A full description. I will ask for only 100 characters. 200. Analysis. It's important, don't include anything, any feature extra than you already have on the application, or you will be rejected from your reviewing. Here some cover letter that match your keywords and post at ATS scores. Okay, that's good. JobYnc use AI to create ATS-friendly resumes and cover letters tailored to every opposition match keyword, improve your ATS score, standard recruiters, and land more interviews. Okay, that's good too. Let's copy paste into the form. Okay. And okay, done. Well, it's read for something. Okay, now it's great. App icon. I already have the app icon, and if you use my template, my boilerplate for Expo, if you are a developer, you saw that it's easy to generate an app icon with some script I left on the code. Let me show you. Okay, there's some script to generate branding that generates your app icon, your feature graphic that we will use into this form that requires it mandatory, and social feature graphic, and also the store screenshots that I commented on the start of this video session. So come on, let's move it. Okay, where is it? Save as draft. Oh no. Okay, I cannot see the bottom. Let me check. No, I cannot see the bottom. Okay, upload. Come on. And downloads. This is the application JobYnc. This is the application JobYnc. Okay, let me show you where I was. Okay, now this is asking me for my app icon. I will add that app icon from here. I upload and select where my application is. GitHub, JobYnc. I have many projects in here. Scripts, resource, app icon. Boom. Come on, come on. I wanna go to sleep. Great. Next, feature graphic. Upload. Feature graphic, come on. It's important. Select the exact image with exact pixels, or you cannot use any image. You cannot use any image. That image exactly need to use this pixel 1024 by 500. Add it. Okay, now comes the screenshots. Upload screenshots. 0, 1, 2. I multi-select it. Come on, come on. We can do it. Okay. Yeah, add. Great. Close this. Let's confirm if everything is in order. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. This goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you can apply here. Okay. I'm missing one. Well, we could sacrifice because we can use maximum 8. We need to use the 0 tool because it's important to have a banner on the first image. Come on, banner. It's a vertical banner that I already saw you on the video starts, on this session starts. Okay, add it and close it. Okay, now let's move this to the first. This is important because this will be the first image that appears on the Play Store when you see the app, or when a user is saying the app before download it. Okay, let's save it. Let's confirm if this is already. Let's confirm if this is already on production. Okay, show more. No countries selected. Okay, that's easy. Don't worry. Countries and region on production. We need to allow this for some content. This is a combo. I will select everyone, because my policy allow me to that. So comment again policy template on the comments and follow me, and you will receive that link for download and simply modify the product name inside of the template, and you will avoid some reaction from the Google reviewers. Come on, save. To review, not yet. Let's come back to production, because production shouldn't be on draft, it should be on other state. Okay, so next. Now I can click into save. As you can see, I don't have some errors. I have it already saved, and now after this save I can go to overview and send it for review. But let's see, I have one issue here. What it says: incomplete advertisement declaration. Okay, let's complete that declaration. Okay, does your app use advertising ID? No, I told you we will not use ads on this app. You are free to use that. Okay, just follow me on LinkedIn, follow me on the social network where you are seeing this video, and comment, like and share. That is the unique thing I ask you to use this application. Come on, save, go to overviews, and now we are releasing. Okay, let's deploy this because this is the first tool with this category that helps many workers, immigrants, new professionals that are looking for some job, and this will help everyone that works as an employee in any levels, in any profession. Come on, send. We did now. So I really appreciate that you are here. If you are continuing saying this, I'm happy for you that you are here. And now I invite you to see two of my websites. One of them is my professional portfolio, where you can follow me, see my socials, see what I'm doing as a developer, and how can I help you if you need an assistant, if you are an entrepreneur, if you buy code in your app and you want to publish it but you don't know exactly how, follow this video or send me a message for help you. And another is let me check if I have the other one. Yeah, and the other is this. It will be this one that I'm loading. Okay, the other one is this. Follow that site too. It's LLAAPP.com. Go open that site and you will see that my site, my business, where I'm a CTO, provides some solutions for your business and helps you solving problems for free consultation. If you do that, I will thank you, really thank you. I will say you really thank you. Well, I let you with this image about the JobYnc because JobYnc was the tool that we release right now. Go download that. Go search it on the Play Store and install it. It's JobYnc. Remember, it's a good application that you can use for get that dreaming job, or get that job that has a better salary, or a promotion, or an interesting project that you can challenge. So go use that and enjoy my work. Bye bye guys. Thank you for being here until the final video time.